Hello guys, welcome back to Eagles Corner, and today we'll make this delicious Ogbono soup for you all. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and also to make us reach our goal of 400 subscribers before October. So the ingredients we have today are grounded pepper, palm oil, crayfish, ogbono, shrimp, parboiled stockfish, tripe, smoked turkey, our cleaned beef, and our kale. In a big pot, you're going to boil your meat. You're going to add your beef, your tripe, and your smoked turkey. You're then going to add some chopped up onions, curry, thyme, and your seasoning of choice, and salt. Then you're going to add a bit of water, and you're going to make sure that your meat is fully coated with the seasoning. Then you're going to cook it until it's getting soft, and after 15 minutes you're going to add your stockfish. So you're going to add palm oil into your ogbono, and you're going to cook it with the meat. This way the ogbono is going to cook with your meat, and in return your ogbono is going to be more slimy. You're going to let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you're going to take it out and add more water into the pot. So after you added your water, you're going to cover it until it boils. When the water is boiling, you're going to add your grounded crayfish and African grounded pepper or cayenne pepper. Then you're going to mix it around real well. After you bring it to a boil again, you're now going to add your ogbono and palm oil mixture into your pot. After adding your ogbono, you're going to stir it and you're going to let it cook until it starts getting thick. Then you're going to add your kale and your shrimp. You're going to add your shrimp now so that it won't be overcooked. Then you can season if it's needed. This is a very delicious ogbono soup recipe. It's very easy to make. It's very delicious, very sweet. The shrimps really add a different type of flavor in it. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more content like this. Hopefully, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!